What is up, YouTube? Today we are here at the Foxriver, a spot that's become one of our favorites. I mean, this is what, our 4th or 5th time here now?
Yes, sir. Yep.
Here with Shane.
What up, guys?
We're gonna do another all-nighter, so we're gonna be here all night long. We're gonna try to get some catfish at night, but right now, with the last of this dark, we're trying to frog it out with them booyah frogs. Just gonna try to frog it out before it gets nighttime. We're gonna do the catfish thing overnight. I'll try to update you guys every hour tonight so we can keep it really interesting. You guys can really be in tune with what's going on. And then, yeah, it should be a good night. It's beautiful weather. There's been a lot of storms, really windy today, but there shouldn't be any rain.
A little bit of boat traffic.
Yeah, a little
bit. It seemed
bit.
to help last time. So
It did.
We'll see how it goes.
So I'm excited, brother. You?
Likewise. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Yes, sir.
Let's get it going,
Stay
guys.
tuned.
Stay tuned indeed. Oh!
Nice, dude. Oh, damn, take it easy.
There we are, guys.
Get him up on the rock.
He hit right in front of me, dude. He followed it all the way in. There we are. That was so beautiful. I'm so grateful. Little frog, but he swallowed this thing. He was not hesitant. Look at that.
Hungry enough.
Awesome. Oh boy, this guy. Jeez.
He inhaled it, huh?
There we are. He was hungry. Beautiful fish. There we are, that black and blue frog. Foxriver, largemouth bass. As you saw, that fish hit right here, guys. Right here, like, that's crazy. Awesome fish. Going in for the release. Just had a follow and a miss on that one, guys. So we're gonna bring it, keep doing it, but we're gonna go a little slower this time. Look at that, guys. That is really cool, but also really weird. Look at the hump on this bass. Look at that. That is so odd. Nice fish. Foxriver. We got this wind-blown shoreline. The wind's just blowing everything along this shore. So we're fishing it. Oh, what a strong fish. And there we are. Nice. Foxriver, largemouth bass. I don't even have the rod set up yet for catfish. It's got a little black and gold spot there, but yeah, look at that, man. That's cool. Very cool. Going in for the release. Alright, cheers, bro.
Cheers, brother. Alright, everyone, we're here. We're set up. We got some catfish rigs going. We're just cracked a couple brews.
That's right. I'm going with this Revolution Brewing Apollo Hero.
Just doing a normal little Modelo, nothing special, guys.
So
Just refreshing.
we caught 2 bass on the frog, nighttime. That was ideally what we were going to do in the morning, so
Yeah,
got some blow-ups, got some, I mean, this is exciting. We just had all these huge storms roll through, tornado warnings everywhere, so we didn't know what to expect coming here. But so far we got 2 bass on the frog. The fish are looking at the top water, so we're excited for the morning, but right now we're stopping everything because we're going to do catfish.
Yes, sir.
So this is what we're going to be using.
Alright.
Alright guys, so today we are going to do some nighttime catfishing. Not always cool with some boat traffic coming by.
It did seem to help that one time it kind of stirred them up and then it seemed like the bite, you know.
Yeah, it did. It actually did. It seemed to drive them in here a little bit more.
We'll see.
But we don't necessarily use cut bait. At least for me anyway, it doesn't really work out. Whenever I end up killing something and trying to use it for bait, I just end up killing it for no reason. So we're using shrimp.
I'm actually going to put 2 on this time.
Yeah, me too. I'm going with 2.
Just thread it right up that hook, right up the end of his tail there, and let it dangle down. And
That's right. You pull that first one over the eye, so it won't fall back down. Get 2 on there. Oh, this is some smelly. This is days
buddy,
old.
there's some stanky stuff.
You remember in that last video when we said day old shrimp, guys? This is days old
Yeah,
shrimp.
we're going into weeks.
Here's Shane's. This is mine. Let's go. We'll check back in shortly. We got here at 8:30. Right now it's 9:36. Saturday, June 26th at 9:36 p.m. We got here at 8:30 and yeah, let's go.
I got one, George.
Yeah, that's perfect. I was just gonna say, guys. Oh yeah. So it's 10:27. I was just checking in, guys, and look at this. We have one on with Shane right here. We don't have the net. It's way back there, but I'm gonna get it for him. I got you, bro.
No, I don't think we're gonna need it. It's not too big. It doesn't feel like it's that big. Actually, yeah, we're good. Actually, I hope this ain't a turtle, man.
It almost pulled your rod in, no?
Oh, okay, never mind.
Ooh,
No, this is
there you
definitely a
go.
fish.
You got a kitty cat. Ooh.
Maybe we will need a net.
No, I got you on that, bro. Yeah, your drag's really loose, so he might not be feeling you pull him that much yet. You know what I'm saying? What is it? Oh yeah, little channel cat. Ooh, nice runs, dude. Nice runs. Oh yeah, dude. Beautiful Foxriver channel catfish. Let me put my headlight on my head so I can grab them for you. Check that out, guys. Ooh, that's not a small fish at all either, dude. It's a nice fish here, Shane.
Not bad, huh?
Look at that, guys.
Nice grab, dude. Yeah, eyes are glowing
You
on
could
him.
probably get that hook out right there.
You got him?
Yeah, I got him.
You sure?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh wow. Hold on, let me see if I can. Okay, now I can see it better. Sorry about that.
No, you're good.
Yeah,
That's a nice fish, dude.
Okay.
Nice hook.
Oh,
You wanna hold him? You wanna hold him or no?
No, I'm good.
Like that, Shay. That is a beautiful catfish, guys.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, let's use Shane's light actually. Shine your light on it.
How's that? Is it going?
night, brother. And we were just checking in. 10:30 check-in time. Like I said, we're gonna check in on every hour, and boom, first fish. So we got 2 bass, 1 catfish, and we've been here 2 hours.
Yeah, not bad. It's a good deal.
Let's go.
All right.
All right, let's go release Shane's fish here.
He was ready.
He was more than ready. That's awesome, dude.
Cool, man.
Great fish,
nice.
brother.
Cool. Thanks for the help, man. I
Guys,
appreciate it.
here we are, 11:30 check-in. We have not caught a fish since Shane's last one at 10:30, but we did get the fire. Ooh, you hear that?
Heard a nice jump up there.
Signs of good things to come.
All right.
We did get our fire going. But yeah, we'll see you again in an hour.
Stay tuned.
Hopefully
everybody.
we catch one, right?
Yes, sir.
What are we on?
Hopefully we catch a couple.
We each on our like 2nd or 3rd brew, but you know how it is out here.
Kind of helps out a little bit for night fishing.
You know how it
it's
is.
one of the requirements.
For sure.
Little strobe light action. They're in seaweed.
Oh yeah.
Is that a? Oh, it's okay.
That's another channel cat.
Yeah.
A little bit smaller, but nice fish, dude. Dude, that was a top. Almost ripped your rod in the water.
Oh man, it's like, I can't grab them. All right. Look at that, guys.
Beautiful catfish. Shane Singletary out here with his 2nd cat of the night. We are here right now at just 10 minutes past 11:30. So just our 2nd check-in, or 3rd check-in I should say. And we have another catfish on. Shane's got one on the hour since we catfished. Beautiful fatty. Nice fish, bro.
Thank you.
Bring him over there by the fire so you can kind of see it in the background. When you slap my ass. Bro, you just slapped my ass. Shane with a beautiful channel catfish here at one of our favorite spots night fishing. Look at that guy. Awesome catch, my brother. That's his 2nd catfish tonight. And obviously you see we got the fire going, we got the brew going. Everything's flowing, even the fishies. Let's keep it going.
I'm going for the release.
Yeah, you're good.
I'll let him in over here.
Yeah, you're good. Alright guys, we are here at the 12:30 check-in. Lots of brews, lots of wind. It is really, really windy tonight. No rain, eating sunflower seeds. A lot of snacks actually. We've been getting one on the hour as a team here since we've got here. This guy's got one every hour in the last 2 hours. And like I said, 12:30 right now. Ideally we'll hook up with one. We'll check in again soon. You having fun so far?
Yeah, yes I am.
Yeah, it's been a great night, dude. Great night.
It's beautiful out. You know, the wind's blowing a little bit. Nice warm breeze. You know, yeah, I'm enjoying this. Yeah. Stay tuned, everybody, and let's see what happens. Maybe we can catch some more kitty cats.
Yes, sir. Hopefully I can get one. I got the frog and bass, but tonight I'm struggling with the kitty
that
cats.
was a nice bass, though. Yeah.
All right, we'll see you again in an hour.
Yeah.
Hopefully with some fish.
Yeah, buddy.
My rod was just down. Oh, we got a fish on here. My drag. Oh, we have a fish on here.
The net is close. If you need it, let me know.
Well, I should be able to get him.
All right. He's out there, huh? I don't know, dude. Are you in weeds? Are you across? You want me to move my line? Oh, he's big, no? Uh-oh. Oh, he's nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's nice, dude. Oh, he's got a fat hat on him. Yeah, he's nice. Oh, look at him. Wow. Nice, dude.
Look at this.
Oh, yeah.
Bro.
Good. Nice.
There we are. Beautiful Foxriver channel cat. Over here using shrimp.
Grab him like a maniac. Grab him strong. All right, let's do this. Here we go.
No, dude, this guy, like, he's...
I know, dude. He's hefty.
Past my width span.
Come on.
You know what I'm saying?
Your grip. All right, ready? Go.
Look at that. This is what we came out here for. Well, not necessarily. Hear that?
He's talking to you.
He's growling at you. He's growling at you. Beautiful fight, guys. Big fish. Foxriver. Come out here at night. He's a little beat up, but it's just a tribute to this river system. These are hefty, hefty fish. We're using shrimp. I'm gonna go ahead and take the hook out real quick. Circle hook. No shrimp left because this guy ate it all.
Oh, yeah.
And he also got me. He also slapped me right in the face there. Wow.
He slapped you 5, man.
That was a perfect slap.
Yeah.
All right. I think I got accustomed to holding him now. He's not getting away. I figured it out. Beautiful fish. So I like to grip him right there on the belly because there's no way you got this kind of T shape there and you just hold them. There's no way. As long as you hold that grip, there's no way they can escape. No way. And on top of that, it's so bony, you're not hurting the fish. All right, guys, we're going in for the release. That's awesome. All right, guys, that's our 1:30 a.m. check-in here on Saturday night. As you can hear in the background, we still have boats cruising. I just caught that one catfish. It was 1:09 a.m. So we're going to continue to keep at it. A few more brews, a few more snacks. Doing
See
good?
what happens. Yeah, feeling great. Yeah.
Awesome, awesome. We got this
Keep them coming.
awesome little fire going here. Good vibes, lots of fish. We keep going one fish on the hour. We are going to be rocking all night, baby.
Yes, sir.
Let's go. 33. That's a 2:30 check-in. We're still out here doing our thing.
Getting a little firewood together, trying to keep the fire
That's
going.
right.
It's a little bit windy.
Yeah, you could hear this wind.
Whipping around.
You probably can't see much, but you could definitely hear it. This wind is whipping today. There's no storms in the forecast, no rain in the forecast. You can go ahead with your kindling, but
So far we've been dry, but in terms of the fire, we are trying to keep that.
yeah. Keep the fire going.
Just to keep it going, you know.
There we are. So we're doing pretty good so far. You have 2 catfish. I got 1. We got the 2 bass earlier. We're gonna keep it going.
Bass, so that was nice. That topwater bass.
Yeah, those bass. Yeah.
Yeah.
2, well, you saw one of them. You didn't see that. You didn't see that other one yet, but you'll see it on video.
Whatever.
But yeah, no, we're doing good out here. We're having a lot of fun, popping a few more brewskis, and yeah, we're gonna keep it going. Hopefully, we get another fish soon. I'm gonna reset my baits actually. Yeah, actually, I'm gonna reset my poles, my baits, and let's go.
Same. Let's do it.
Let's get it.
Come on.
We're gonna get more fish. Let's go. All right, there we are, 333. That is our 3:30 check-in. We're still going at it. We have not, yeah, we actually have. We've been trying pretty hard. But
Whole time, non-stop.
Yeah, and we aren't going to stop. But we've been going all night so far. We were catching them on the hour, but it seemed to slow down a little bit. But then again, any hour we can catch 3 or 4 in 1 hour and make that all up. So 3:30 check-in. We'll keep it going, guys. We'll see you at 4:30.
Stay tuned, everybody.
Yes, sir. Let's go. What?
This is so big.
It's a fish?
Oh, it's a turtle, man.
It's a turtle?
Oh, man, help me, George, please.
Oh,
dude.
man.
I don't want to deal with this.
That's one thing we were not hoping for.
Oh, he's just in the foot. That's going to be
Is he?
easy, right?
No, he's in his foot. He's in his mouth, bro. Even bigger than mine, dude. Look at that turtle. Wait.
I don't want to rip his head off, dude.
Wait.
Maybe the net? Can we do it with the net?
Let's see. Here, hold my rod.
Yes. Just help me, please. I don't. Man, I feel so bad for this, dude. Oh, you should be able to get that out.
Yep,
right?
this one's yeah. Here, hold this. I'll get the pliers. This one's a good one.
Okay.
Wait, you got pliers?
I do. Yeah, you want to hold them? I'll go get the pliers.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Here, and I'm gonna set your rod right at the top. Here, don't snap my rod.
Yeah, you're good. I'm gonna put your rod right there. You're good.
I'm gonna go get it real quick.
All right, so here's Shane's snapper, or here's Shane's soft shell turtle, and we're gonna try to get the edge of the hook here. Twist it right out. Oh, he's fighting it, bro. Let me get this hook so he doesn't try to hook himself.
He's gonna swallow it more.
Watch your fingers. There we go. Nice. Can't get him up. He's strong, dude. He's gripping. Now he's worried because I got his foot.
Yeah.
Favorite times.
You got him now. Nice. Oh, dude, you so had him.
There you go. Okay, I got him. There we go. Beautiful soft shell Shane just caught. We got the hook out successfully, as you saw. That's a nice turtle. Beautiful turtle, man. The Fox is so abundant of these, dude. Would you ever believe it? That's so awesome. Here we go. Yeah, I'm good. Dude, I just caught a fish. Damn it. I don't know what it was. I caught a fish, I fell in the water, and I lost it.
Guys,
Damn so it. I just set the hook on a fish like 2 feet in front of me, literally, and I missed him because on the hook set, my front left foot went into the water. I fell back and I missed the fish. Oh, I feel so silly. Redemption time. Yeah. Basically at our 4:30 check-in, this dude caught a soft shell turtle. We had a successful unhook. That's awesome. It's looking like it's gonna be a good morning, guys. We're gonna keep going. Soon the sun's gonna be out and we're gonna be frogging. I mean, we're already frogging. So Let's go, right, bro?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. There we go. What do we got? We got the old Smoky Joe.
Nice.
Hell yeah, Shane.
You know, not the 5-6 pounders we're after, but they're here this morning. We're gonna keep going at them. We're gonna keep throwing the frogs, and we're gonna see if we can find this one's mama.
Yes, sir. It is 4:40 right now, just after our check-in. I've already missed one. Shane's caught one. It's popping right now, guys.
I missed one right before this too. So
yeah, so it's going, man.
Yes, sir. So thank you.
Yeah, they engulfed it over here, bro.
Oh, there we go.
Alright. It's over with now, boys. I see carp. Oh, we have a fish on here, guys. Check that out. It's just, I mean, it shows you the abundance and the health of this Foxriver system. So I'm actually in the process right now, though, unfortunately, of going and trying to get a common carp. So we're gonna let this guy go. We're gonna take this rod and go put on bread, and I'm gonna actually sight fish some common carp right now. Let's go. Ugh. And I have a circle hook, so we're gonna use that. All right. Let's go. Let's run over, guys. Let's check the time. All right, so we got bread. We're running over right now. It's 5:23. The water is wavy. No, he's right there. It's a carp right there. So right now we're trying to get our bread right on him. I see him. There, almost looks like he's looking for it. That should be good right there. Let's see what happens. I can't see anything, but I'm gonna watch my line. Oh man. Just totally killed it for me, man. Bozos. Soon. Guys, it's that 5:33 check-in. Boaters are now leaving the marina. This last hour, I'm not gonna lie, it's been a little disappointing for myself. Found a school of carp, boat flew by, just scattered them all so I couldn't catch them. Missed a few bass on the frog, so I'm gonna have to do some redemption, man. What about you this last hour, bro?
Yeah, I mean, I haven't had any blow-ups or any bites or any nibbles or anything, so I mean, I'm just gonna stay persistent, keep throwing. I might switch up in a minute. I want to try every source. I am doing a frog. I tried a couple different frogs, but I want to try to throw another primary source of their food, which is crayfish. So I may throw on a crayfish lure, and then I will also try some type of shad or thread fin lure or just something from the shad family, just to see if I could get him to bite something different. But yeah, we're gonna keep trying here, man. It ain't over yet.
That's for sure. The brew is still flowing.
I already started a coffee, so.
Yeah, he's already on coffee. I'm still on the brew, but maybe one more. We'll see. But you're gonna know when we're on the Starbucks. But we're gonna get them, guys. We're gonna get them. Let's get back at it.
Yes, sir.
All right, guys. We are at that 6:30 check-in. This has probably been our most quiet hour the entire time we've been out here.
Yes, I would have to say so.
I'm switching to coffee now. We'll stay tuned.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, those are carp. Yeah. I got my bread over there, bro. I was like hoping for it. That one didn't seem like a carp. Huh. But the ones that were jumping in the corner of the dock, bro, like, each time I swear they were carp. I seen them come up too. There's one. Ooh, he's nice. Ooh, this is something big. Maybe. We'll see, I don't know. What do we got here? Oh no, this is good. Yeah, it's fast, dude. I don't know why. I thought, ooh! Yeah, it could have been, bro. It could have been. It's a nice fish. There we go. Oh, yeah, dude. Alright, guys. Beautiful.
What'd you hit him on?
Yeah, we got him on this Booyah spinnerbait here.
Oh, sweet.
Yes, sir. It's a nice largemouth. Very healthy. There was a few splashes out there. We tossed this spinnerbait out there and the thing slammed it. It was a nice fight too. I genuinely thought I had a bigger fish than what this was. These river bass always are going to be way better fighters than those lake bass, man. Look at that. What a fish. What a beautiful, healthy fish too.
Yeah, he's nice.
It's like doesn't got a sore or scar on it. It's just thank you, sir. This guy's gonna jump, watch. I'm gonna get him to jump. Oh, I thought he was. Alright, that's that 7:30 check-in time. How you feeling, Shane?
Not bad, not bad.
Yeah, it's been a couple hours. It's been a little bit more rough than it was when we started. I did get that bass just now, this last hour. But like I said, the last 2 hours for sure have definitely slowed a little bit as far as the catching department. But we're going to keep going, and we'll hit you guys back up in another hour. Right now we're both throwing spinnerbaits because it's so sunny outside. The water's got a little bit of tinge to it, and we just feel like spinnerbaits are good.
Yeah, going with the shine a little bit just to see what happened, and to switch it up too because it's another one of their food source. We've been throwing frogs. We just wanted to go to some that resemble a shad or a threadfin or something to that effect. So yeah, George just pounded a nice one on the spinnerbait, and we're gonna keep throwing and see what happens here.
And that's for sure. We do have the boat traffic still, but we're gonna keep gunning it, and as he said, we'll see what happens.
Yes, sir.
We are about 6 minutes away from our 8:30 check-in. We got Shane still out here casting. What do you got on now, bud? So he's throwing his Rebel Frog. We're kind of at our last ditch efforts now. Last 2 hours we've thrown lures without much luck, So he's kind of going to his go-to there. He's feeling good about that. I'm using a Z-Man TRD here. We're going to give it a little bit more time. Like I said, the last 2 hours we haven't really seen much, felt much, or heard much, other than this constant pounding of wind. But we're going to keep going and we'll keep you updated.
Have you gone down along that island?
You can see that gentleman in the green shirt over
right.
there. I wasn't even aware that you could actually go over there.
Yeah, if you walk around and go to the base of the fish at the back end of that where the, you know, if the water's
back
going this
in there?
way, it's back a little bit.
Okay, I'll have to try that spot next time.
But,
So,
yeah.
Hello.
All right.
appreciate
How you doing?
This
I'm
is
doing
George
well.
and I'm Shane, by the way.
How you doing?
Doing well,
yeah, I
sir.
was just letting him know you just can't fish on the dock side.
Oh, okay, okay,
Yeah.
absolutely. Okay, yeah. I do have a rod. I'll take that in right now. Sorry about that.
Good luck, guys.
Hey,
Thank you very
have a
much,
great
sir.
day. Be safe. Thank you so much.
Appreciate it. Alright guys, we are at 8:35. As you saw, that forest officer just came and told us that we're not able to fish the marina. So 8:30 check-in. It's been about 2 hours, no fish. We're considering getting out of here. We're not sure, but if we are, it's been a great night. This guy caught 2 nice catfish, got that beautiful frog and bass.
Yeah, yeah.
We caught fish all night. He caught that soft-shell turtle too.
Yeah.
Big soft-shell turtle.
Yeah, it was nice. Yeah, it was cool.
But overall, it was an all-nighter. We went straight through because that's how we do.
Beer and coffee.
Beer and coffee. It's been a great night. But yeah, we're gonna get ready to head out. Hope you guys enjoyed. We updated you literally every hour on the hour, the entire outing. Thought it would be a cool process, and I'm glad we did it for you. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys again very soon with another geofishing exclusive. I'm pretty sure you're gonna probably end up seeing this guy too.
I think so.
And be sure to subscribe. But thank you guys again, and we'll see you guys soon. Have a great day.
Peace.
Yeah, that's it. Clean house. Leave no trace. Anytime you ever go out, guys, you make sure you bring everything you brought with you right back. You leave nature as it is, pristine and beautiful. Let's go.